Everything's still working. This huge roof shot on Flussel.
This is that moment where, yeah.
Exactly. That moment we lost. Yeah, we had some serious damage on Minor. And we went in and took them down. Just a moment after. Completely stationary here. That did not become. Now, Chlorine side on office certainly had problems that they would do. And no manufacturer would ever get damaged. All of your
This is less slow.
that's slow.
As many people first off, out the gate, Gary's just that's got she can't build it. So we have Alan's one
Stuck in the wall. Can I call for an upset? What if we said no? You're not.
Yeah, hot honey is the same combination of hot lights flames with honey cracks and ability that only by the rock. Round and out, we got 6:30. Biggest thing in the house tonight. Well, Operation Instant. There are some great things on here. The college students program here, right? That gave you a lot of time. So much. All right, so we're going to do one first.